You're eating clean, you're moving your body, you've said no to cake, skipped dinner, and forced yourself to smile at your green smoothie. But still, that stubborn belly fat won't budge. You wonder, is something wrong with me? Is my metabolism broken? And worse, will it ever get better? Let me tell you something every health practitioner and coach should say first. You're not broken. Your body is not failing, it's protecting you. Fat is not your enemy. Fat is a message. It's your body saying, I'm not sure it's safe to let go yet. Let me tell you about Anna. She did everything right, 1,200 calories a day, low-fat yogurt, workouts 5 times a week. But she was tired, cold, anxious, and still couldn't lose her belly. When she came to me, we didn't add more exercise or remove more food. We listened, and her body said, I'm overwhelmed. Anna was living in constant fight or flight mode, and here's what she didn't know. Stress is the #1 reason bodies hold on to fat. You see, your body is not a calculator. It's a chemistry lab, and one of the biggest players in that lab, cortisol, your stress hormone. When cortisol is high, your body holds on to fat, especially belly fat. Why? Because high cortisol tells your body danger is near. Store energy. Prepare to run. But here's the thing about cortisol. It doesn't distinguish between a lion chasing you and a deadline stressing you. To your body, stress is stress. And stress means survival mode. In survival mode, your body slows your metabolism, increases your appetite for quick energy foods, and stores fat around your middle where it's most accessible for emergency fuel. This is why you can be eating less and exercising more, but still not losing fat. Your body is literally working against you because it thinks you're in danger. And here's what most people don't realize. You can trigger cortisol just by the way you eat. A sugary breakfast, coffee on an empty stomach, constant snacking. Each time your blood sugar spikes and crashes, each crash equals stress, each stress spike equals more cortisol. And cortisol turns off fat burning. It's like your body's emergency brake. You can't drive with it on. Let me paint you a picture. You grab a muffin and coffee for breakfast. Within an hour, your blood sugar shoots up, then crashes. You feel shaky, maybe foggy. So you reach for another coffee, maybe a snack. Another spike, another crash. By 3 p.m. you're craving something sweet. This blood sugar roller coaster is sending stress signals to your body all day long. Now let's go deeper. Meet Marcus, 42 years old, works in tech. He doesn't eat junk food, but he skips breakfast, has 2 coffees by 9 a.m., and grabs a sandwich at 2 p.m. By evening, he's starving, moody, and craving sweets. Every morning his cortisol was naturally high, but instead of giving his body steady fuel, he was adding caffeine and then nothing. His blood sugar would drop, his stress hormones would spike, and his body would go into conservation mode. We shifted one thing. We added a protein-rich breakfast and reduced his late-night snacks. Within weeks his energy stabilized, and finally the belly started to go, because it wasn't about calories. It was about balance. And here's another key player, insulin. Insulin is your fat storage hormone. Every time you eat, especially sugar or refined carbs, insulin rises. And as long as insulin is high, your body cannot burn fat. Think of insulin as a switch. When it's on, you're in storage mode. When it's off, you're in burning mode. But if you're eating constantly, insulin never gets a chance to come down. It's like trying to empty a bathtub while the faucet is still running. Now imagine what happens if you snack all day. Insulin stays up, cortisol stays up, and your metabolism stays confused. That's what I call the modern trap. We live fast, snack fast, and crash fast. In traditional cultures, meals were warm, balanced, and eaten together. No random snacking, no processed bars, just food, fiber, rhythm. And yes, people were leaner because their bodies felt safe. So how do we return to that sense of safety? Let me share 3 core steps plus 2 bonus ones. Step 1. Balanced meals. Always pair carbs with protein and healthy fats. That means no naked bread, no solo pasta. Add eggs, fish, tofu, lentils. It slows digestion. It keeps blood sugar steady. Instead of oatmeal with fruit, try oatmeal with almond butter. Instead of pasta, try pasta with salmon and vegetables. The goal is meals that satisfy you for 4 to 5 hours. Step 2. Meal spacing. Stop grazing. Let your insulin come down. Try 4 to 5 hours between meals. And yes, it's okay to feel a little hunger before the next meal. That's fat burning turning back on. Step 3. Nervous system reset. After meals, sit quietly for 1 minute. Place your hand on your belly. Breathe. Tell your body, we're safe. This activates your rest and digest mode. Most of us eat in a stress state, but your body needs to be calm to process food properly. Bonus tip 1. Evening rituals. 2 hours before bed, drink warm lemon water. Not magic, but supportive. It helps digestion, calms the nervous system, and signals rest. Bonus tip 2. Add bitter foods. Rucola, dandelion, lemon peel, grapefruit. Bitters reduce cravings and support your liver. And your liver is your fat-burning partner. Let's also be honest, daily alcohol, even in small amounts, is not neutral. Your liver stops everything to process it, fat burning gets paused, and alcohol lowers sleep quality. Poor sleep equals more cortisol. So enjoy a glass of wine if it truly brings joy, but know that even healthy bodies need recovery time. At the end, it comes back to this. Is your body feeling safe? When your nervous system calms down, when your meals stabilize your energy, when your sleep supports recovery, then your body can finally do what it was always built to do. Heal, let go, burn fat, not because you forced it, but because you worked with it. Your body is not your enemy. It's been keeping you alive, protecting you, adapting to whatever you throw at it. When it holds on to fat, it's not being stubborn, it's being smart. The goal isn't to trick your body or force it into submission. The goal is to create such a sense of safety that your body feels free to let go. So I leave you with this question. What's one thing you can do today to make your body feel safer? Maybe it's eating a real breakfast instead of grabbing coffee and running. Maybe it's taking 5 deep breaths before your next meal. Maybe it's simply saying thank you to your body for everything it's done to keep you alive. Let me know in the comments. And if this resonated with you, give the video a like, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more real, honest health insights. This is your time to come home to your body. Let's walk that road together.